Welcome back to Crushing Outdoors.
Growing up in the South, yeah, it runs in my blood. There's something in the water mixed with the mud. We get a little wild way out down here. Chase a little shine with a bottle of beer. Looking for a good time, and that's about it. It's the way that it is when you live in the sticks. We raise a little hell, we make a lot of noise. Hey, y'all, we just some of them good old backwoods boys.
There was a party after the football game, but Charlie already had that drink in my truck. They called it the beer store on wheels. Lordy, how many times on that back 40 do we sit and laugh until the morning, pouring cups up?
Day one of cabin done. We just got in our beds. God, I think every bone in our body is about sore. We're stiff as a brick right now. It feels like we're shitting a brick. Yeah, we're pretty much dead. Case is clear. We can't wait for tomorrow morning.
Yes, we can.
Big ass fucking freaking pimple.
We got a big pimple and pervert dash.
It's the cabin way. Alright. Maybe it's not that big.
Well, we got the first one of the day.
That's why it's going so fast. Okay. Get it. It's it might be a small one.
Baby. It's just dead weight.
Not bad.
Ugh.
Spitting stuff out.
Ow. Probably not the keeper. Probably got it on the gills. Dude, we literally just had a tip out as soon as we sat in the shanty. And then now we just sat in the shanty again and another one went up.
Is it going?
Oh, leave him go. It's not going fast. Set it now. Oh, he's pulling.
He's heavy.
It's a good fish.
Maybe not.
Oh, it's a walleye!
Oh my god.
Holy shit!
That's freaking amazing, dude. Why did we catch? Dude, you know how freaking good I am at ice fishing? We've been out here for about an hour now. We walked a really long way from where we were yesterday. We're by an island. So far it's good. We got 3 tip-ups in the first 20 minutes, 1 walleye, and two small northern, but they're still not bad. And now we're jigging. Looks like it's gonna be a good day. We have tip-up up. It's Colton's turn, but he's taking his rod out of the hole. Oh, dude, get it.
This might be another walleye.
Dude, if we get another walleye.
Head shakes.
Bass?
No.
Northern?
Little fucker. Thank God we grabbed Thank God we got 2 dozen minnows. Pull it now. He's off to the side. Now.
Fucker's big, dude. No, that's how big it is.
Oh, walleye!
Dude, I'm a walleye player. We have a hot flag. It goes up every freaking 10 seconds. I always start getting jigging and getting a little comfortable. This is probably a big one.
Little. Might be another walleye.
It better be.
Yep, another one!
Dude, that's awesome. Sweet, 3 walleyes.
Deeper.
There's a flag, by the way, guys.
Got him!
Not hitting big.
No, he's a good size.
Sweet. Got some bait sticks probably. What you gonna do? Is he spinning?
No more hot eagles.
He ain't even spinning. It's not there. Got him? Hot eagle. Oh, that's a big one. It's probably a bass. Oh my god, who called that? I'm good at ice fishing and I'm friggin' smart. Every girl's dream. I have a tip up right over there. This fricker don't even want to go into it. And we're saying he can choke on it. It's probably spooling us right now.
Shut it.
Oh my god. Frick, I think my pecker's bigger than this thing.
Is that walleye? Nope.
Like I said, my pecker's bigger than that.
The fucking one's behind us. They're looking through our toes. Big fool, go, big fool.
Johnny made it over there. Going to shit kicker system. Dude, you already made it over there. Did you get him? Is he on there?
I don't know.
It's gotta be him. If a minnow just comes up, you're fighting it like a wuss. Dude, that's gotta be the one, dude. He friggin'.
Oh, pisser. It's probably the big bluegill. Use the bluegill. It's a bluegill, Nick.
Oh my god, dude. Fucking
Muskie.
so, I'm not joking. No, don't run. Don't run.
Bobber just
Bobber's
disappeared.
gone. We won't get a double or triple in there.
We just did.
Oh, he's stuck at the bottom of the hole. That's nice.
He snagged him.
Yeah, we snagged him.
Look.
Fucking snagged him. Oh, it ain't spinning. Oh, you. I gotta take a shit.
She ain't small.
You know it's a girl. See what's gender?
It's fucking heavy. That's what it is. Just dead weight.
Nice and easy, nice and easy.
She's swimming at us.
See,
now.
next time there's fish pulls this much line, we make them spool it back up. Oh, this guy's coming out again in the white snowmobile. Okay, come on. Come on. Is it a good one?
Oh my god.
It's not big.
Fucking big bitch.
Okay, don't swear. It's not big.
Big. It's got a head on it, dude. Its head didn't even fit in the hole.
Don't swear. It likes to move.
It's probably that bluegill that you snagged earlier.
If it's a bluegill, we're killing it. It takes off again.
It's big. It ain't tiny.
It ain't big.
Look at its head.
Oh god. It's a nice one.
Jesus Christ, catching crap.
Like brindle.
Look at this mega crappies though. You can go anywhere with it.
Alright guys, just back at the cabin, just got done eating supper, end of day 2. It's a pretty good day out. Did a lot of running and a lot of walking. Probably ended up with about 30 fish. Probably like 20 northern. 5 crappies.
bass.
5 bass. Okay, probably have like 40 fish, but we're gonna get them all on video. And right now we're stiffer than a wedding dick, pretty much. Our muscles are freaking tight. And we're leaving tomorrow. It's kind of sad. And yeah, it's a good day.
Up in the South, yeah, it runs in my blood. It's something